Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a comparison between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R7. Let's kick things off with the price. The ZV-E10 comes in at a budget-friendly $799, making it a fantastic option for those looking to capture high-quality content without breaking the bank. Reviewers love its affordability, stating that it offers great value for money. On the other hand, the Canon R7 is priced at $1,499. While it's a significant investment, users appreciate the advanced features and build quality that justify the cost. They note that it's a great camera for those serious about photography, especially with its impressive capabilities. Now, let's talk about image quality. The ZV-E10 boasts a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, which reviewers praise for delivering sharp and vibrant images, perfect for content creators. However, the R7 takes the lead with a 32.5 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, providing even more detail. Users rave about the R7's image quality, particularly for wildlife photography, showcasing its ability to capture crisp photos with accurate colors. Moving on to video capabilities, the ZV-E10 can shoot 4K video oversampled from 6K, making it a favorite among vloggers for its high-quality video output and ease of use. Reviewers highlight its exceptional video quality and features like the vari-angle LCD screen. In comparison, the R7 can record for over 30 minutes without interruption, which is perfect for extended shoots. Users commend its video performance, noting that it produces clean footage and is versatile for both video and photography. Next up, stabilization. The ZV-E10 features a background defocus button, which reviewers find magical for creating beautiful bokeh effects in their vlogs. Meanwhile, the R7 is equipped with 5-axis image stabilization, making it highly effective for shooting in dynamic situations. Users appreciate this feature for its ability to keep footage steady, especially during action shots, which is a huge plus for sports and wildlife photography. Lastly, let's discuss user-friendliness. The ZV-E10 is designed for easy live streaming and has been praised for its lightweight and user-friendly interface, making it a hit among beginners. Reviewers love how simple it is to get started. On the other hand, the R7 is compact and offers a comfortable grip, making it well-suited for longer shooting sessions. Users appreciate its ease of use and quick adaptability, especially for those transitioning from other Canon models. Overall, both cameras have received positive reviews from users, but they cater to different audiences. The ZV-E10 is celebrated for its affordability and features geared towards content creators, while the R7 is praised for its advanced capabilities and superior image quality, appealing to more serious photographers. So which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more smart buying tips. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.